Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to do a Sizzix haul with you. I placed an order I think just before Christmas and it's just arrived now. So most of I think all the stuff actually was in, they had a sale on, like a clearance. Yeah, so I got, I think it's all dies, I didn't buy any stamps or anything. And I think the most I paid was about I want to say £4 or £5, but most of them were like £2 something. So yeah, I'm just gonna jump in and share what I picked up. I think there is still a few bits on there, like on the site now, in their clearance. So the first thing I picked up was this. I don't have many like branches, that kind of leaves and that sort of thing dies, and I thought that'd be quite nice. We're making flowers and things and embellishing cards and things. I thought it'd be quite nice to put these kind of behind. So this one, you get 5 dies in it. It's Sizzix Ornaments Die, that's the code there, and it's called Natural Leaves. I think this was like £1 something. I thought it was really good for that. So I got that one. Then got this one. This is a like Christmassy one. It's called Ornament Birds, but you could use these birds other than Christmas. I know obviously these are kind of Christmassy ornaments, but I think the birds you can use any other time. I just thought this would be quite nice for tags and things for Christmas. You get 10 dies in here, and that's the code, and that's all the pieces you get. So got that one, and then picked up this. I've been on a butterfly kind of kick lately. I've been buying dies and things, and I don't really have many butterflies, but I've got quite a collection recently. So you get 4 different ones in here. That's the code. It's by Tim Holtz again, and this one's called Scribbly Butterflies, and I just like the style of them, of those ones. Then picked up this one. This is again by Tim Holtz. It's Finlets. It is called Fresh Baked, and it's like the Christmas cookies. Obviously you can use these images, you don't have to back it onto like a cookie, you could use them just as they are. But I just thought it was really cute for next Christmas, to making tags and cards and things. I thought they'd be really nice. They're all the pieces you get in there, and that's the code. That's that one. Then got this one. This one is called Retro Throwback, and I just thought it was so cute for cards, birthday cards. You've got like the skate, the old cassette player, the old mobile phones. Yeah, so you get, how many dies do you get? 8 dies in here, and it looks like that. So I thought that was really good. Yeah, can't wait to play with this one actually. Then picked up this one. This one's called Baby Animals. I just thought these would be really sweet for Easter cards and things, and I thought this bunny would be really nice even for Valentine's. You could take that little bib thing off, and I thought you could do a little bunny with flowers and things for Valentine's, or even Mother's Day, things like that. Yeah, I just thought there's quite a lot of different projects I could make using these. That's the code at the top there, and that's the dies. So they look like that. So that's that one. Then found this one, and I just thought it's quite nice. You can use the, what's it called, this one, Floral Crest Moon Frame. So I thought the moon frame you could use separately to the flowers, and they all come individually. So I thought the moon I could use, because I've got another set, which is this one, and it's a space theme, and I thought that moon would look quite nice on a card with these. I thought like I could kind of, without the flowers, and I could have like the astronaut on there and things. So I just thought I could, yeah, use some of the dies, kind of pieces from each one together, if that makes sense. That's the code on this one, and you get 10 dies in this one. So yeah, so I thought that'd be nice to use with this one. This one is that's the code there, and this is called Astronaut, and you get 13 dies in this one. So I presume you get, so you get the astronaut body, and then you get the pieces to make like different hairstyles and stuff, and then obviously the planet. Yeah, I just thought that was really cute to use these kind of together. Then got this one again. Obviously this has got a moon in there, which I could use with this space one as well, and it's got some stars and things, so I thought I could, you know, use them all together. It's by Olivia Rose, it says on there. I think that one is as well. Yeah, it's by Olivia Rose. This one is called Midnight Unicorn. Comes with 8 dies. That's the code at the top there, and I just really liked the unicorn on it. I like that it came with some flowers and things. Again, I could incorporate those with different other dies. You get some clouds. Yeah, I just thought that was really nice die. Then got this one. This one is called Hello Spring. Again, you get 16 dies in it, and that's the code at the top there. And I just like this for Easter. I liked it for Mother's Day. You know, with the watering can with the flowers in. Yeah, I just thought nice spring. Obviously it says Hello Spring, so it could be a nice spring card. So yeah, that's the dies in there. So that's that one. Then found this one. This is 14 dies in here. It's called Butterfly Spinner Card. But I thought with all the other things, I could, you know, you don't have to use the butterfly. I could use a bunny for Easter and make it into a bunny spinning card. I could use the watering can. I could use it for like Mother's Day. Yeah, I just thought that'd be quite nice to make sort of spinning cards. I've not had anything like this before. I'm not 100% sure how to put it together yet, so I'm gonna have to, hopefully there'll be a tutorial on how to make it spin and stuff. But yeah, I just thought that I could use with all these other dies. So that's that one. Then got this. This one is called Santa's Letter. Comes with 20 dies. And I'm hoping with this one I could use it as a gift card for Christmas next year. I mean, the bear, I guess you could use any time really, obviously the Santa. But I thought maybe for birthdays you could use the bear and make it into a gift. I'm hoping I can get, I have to put it all together, but I'm hoping this would make a pocket and I can put a gift card in it instead of letter. That's my plans for it anyway. But yeah, once I put it all together and stuff, I will let you know if that works. But I thought, yeah, gift card. I could even try and make this into a bunny, maybe. For Easter, and give out like little gift cards and stuff for Easter. Yeah, I'm going to try and see if I can use this for many uses. But I will let you know if I do put those together. Next one I got was this one. This one's called Easter, and it comes with 17 dies. So you've got the bunny, you've got this little chick, the half egg, You've got this basket with the eggs in, this banner. I loved the basket. I thought, yes, it could be used for Easter, but I also thought with the flowers that came with this one or this one, I could put it in the basket and have it as a Mother's Day, or I could even use it for a picnic basket and use it on a, yeah, I could use it as a picnic, like a spring card with a picnic basket. And that obviously the banner can be used for any occasion. So yeah, I'm really happy with that, and it's quite a nice size, the picnic basket, and it's not got, so you add the things to it, so which I love that it's plain, so I can use it, like I said, for different things. So that's that one. Then this one was, what's this one called? This one's called Rainbow Slider Card, but again, I thought with the rainbow I could use it with the unicorn on there to make a unicorn and rainbow kind of card slider. Yeah, I just thought I could use these dies with this. You get 13 dies in there. That's the code at the top, and it's quite a large, makes quite a large card by the looks of it. It doesn't actually state on here the size, but yeah, I would come back and show you once I've put this all together. So that's that one. Then picked up this one, which is called Box Spooky Silhouettes. You get 12 dies, and that's the code in there. And again, I thought, well, the actual pumpkin and things aren't attached to the box. You get the box kind of separate, so you make that, and then you can add the pumpkin and things to it. I'll just take that out so we can see it better. Comes with a tag, so yeah, you could cut these out, like their windows, you can cut them out of the box, but I just thought I could use the box, make the box and use it for Easter, Valentine's, yeah, any occasion really, birthdays. And I can use it with all these other, I can sort of incorporate these things onto the box as well. So I'm really excited to try this one out. And it's a really nice size, so yeah, I'm really pleased with this. And also, obviously, it comes with a spider and bits that I can use at Halloween time, the cat and that. So I'm really pleased with that one. And then the last one is this Easter. It's called Layered Spring, it's called, and you get 12 dies, and that's the code at the top, and that's what the dies look like there. So yeah, I guess you cut out each one and you layer it up so it looks like that. So I thought that was really cute. And I'm excited to try this out for Easter this year. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And I'll catch you in my next one. Take care, guys. Bye.